Everybody wish for success, but not everybody is willing to pay the price for it. Let me tell you the reality today. Nothing is free, and everything comes up with a price tag. Understand it practically for 1 second. If success was free, everyone would have it. So if you look out at all those around you who have achieved massive success in their lives, they actually paid the huge price by putting more efforts into their craft before expecting anything in return. And that's very necessary because we get to learn so many things during our journey to success, particularly respecting and giving value to our work. And that is the secret to success: consistent hard work. The harder you work, the more confident you become. Those who do not work hard have less self confidence, and as a result, they quit very easily. However, with the passage of time, by putting regular efforts and energy into your work, you will not only end up being successful, but also become so much self independent that you will never have to spread your hands in front of anybody for asking favors and help. That's the power of true success. Let's take the example of sports athlete. He spent years of his life into training, get his body ready to endure, develop qualities and mindset of a winner, experience many hurdles, challenges and failures throughout the way, and finally achieve a medal as an honor. That is a journey of a hard work that eventually turns into success. Now apply the same formula in every aspect of your life. Therefore, you all should learn the habit of working hard towards your goals without giving up. No matter how smaller your goals are, never stop working towards them. So, what are you waiting for? Stop expecting, start doing. Stop thinking, start doing. Stop dreaming, start doing. Success is all about taking actions.